Kita ba?
Hindi ba? Hindi. Hindi. Ano niya?
Focus mo, focus.
At I love Jamich. I'll try to watch your vids when I get home. Mukhang exciting.
Masyado na-excite si Jam. Sabi ni Vice, at Vice ganda ko. Sinabi niya, at I love Jamich. I'll try to watch your videos when I get home. Mukhang exciting. Dami niyong fans. Thank you so much, Vice ganda. And of course, thank you sa Jamich family. Kung di dahil sa'yo, hindi niyo rin mapapansin yun. Thank you, super.
Kahit.
Thank you.
Thank you sa lahat ng nag-mentions na Jamich for GGV. Kahit na hindi kami makuha doon, basta mapanood ng device, masaya na
Masaya na
kami.
kami.
Yung napansin niya lang, thank you so much.
Thank you, super. Kung nakita niyo lang yung pinakaunang reaction ni Jam.
Nagulat talaga.
Super benta ng itsura. Try mo nga ulitin yung ginawa mo kanina. Ay, kala ko nagjo-joke lang siya, yung pala totoo.
Thank you.
Wala lang, super amazing.
Vice, thank you. Mapanood mo lang.
Papanoorin namin yung private Benjamin.
Promise.
Super, ang dami daw.
Congrats.
Okay daw yun. Congratulations.
Congrats kasi siya yung gross, local?
Most,
Ewan. Okay, yun.
For all time.
Promise. Thank you, Vice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kain tayo. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.